If you want to make your voiceover sound like a whisper in ElevenLabs, the easiest and most direct method is to guide the AI right inside your script. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can create softer, more cinematic, and more dramatic voiceovers without guessing your way through the settings. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard and go to the Text-to-Speech tab. This is where you'll create your voiceover from written text. Once you're inside, look for the model drop-down menu and switch it to 11v3, such as 11v3 Alpha. This model is designed to understand emotional direction better, which makes it a strong choice when you want more expressive delivery like whispering, excitement, or suspense. Next, choose a voice from your library that works with the V3 model. Not every voice will behave exactly the same, so if you do not get the result you want on the first try, test a different compatible voice and compare the output. Now comes the most important part. In your script box, type your dialogue or narration as normal, but place the whisper instruction inside square brackets right before the words you want whispered. For example, you can write, whispering. The ancient library holds forgotten secrets. You can also place it in the middle of a sentence, like this. Don't move. Whisper, someone is coming down the hallway. The bracketed instruction tells the model how to deliver that section, so it can soften the tone and make the voice sound more secretive or quiet. If the whisper effect is too subtle, or if the voice sounds too stiff, open the voice settings and adjust them to favor creativity rather than rigidity. That helps the model interpret your prompt more naturally, instead of sounding overly controlled. You can also experiment with the stability, similarity, or style settings depending on what appears in your version of ElevenLabs, because small changes can make a big difference in how expressive the final audio sounds. The best approach is to test a short line first before generating a full script. That way, you can quickly check whether the whisper style is coming through the way you want it to. If it is too soft, try a different voice. If it feels too robotic, make the prompt clearer and keep the direction close to the text you want affected. Once you're happy with the result, you can paste in the rest of your script and generate the full voice over. This is great for storytelling, horror content, ASMR style delivery, dramatic intros, secret announcements, or any scene where you want a quieter and more intimate tone. The key takeaway is simple. Use 11v3, choose a compatible voice, add whisper directions in square brackets, and tweak your settings for a more natural emotional response. Once you get used to this workflow, creating whisper-style voiceovers becomes fast and easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.